Let's install the feet on this UPS for a tower configuration. Note, we've got the feet here, 4 pieces, 4 screws, Phillips screwdriver. The feet will be installed on the left side of the UPS. That way, when it flips into its tower orientation, the HMI will be vertically oriented as well. When we install these feet, there is a countersink that you want facing up. Maybe leave that first one a little loose. That way we have some adjustment. And there's the first one. Make sure they're secure. And put it in the tower position.